going on, YouTube? Texas Ralph N21, and I'm back to bring you another video of model trains. And as you can see, I have a new member of my model train family. Labor Day weekend, I participated at the annual Clark Garden Model Train Show in Mineral Wells, Texas, and the entire club surprised me with this set. It was given to me by my friend Mike, who is a member of that club, the North Texas Garden Railroad Club, and he went all to give me this set. I always wanted an LGB Mogul, let alone with a favorite road like this one. And what else? He gave me the engine, some cars, track, and a transformer. I'd like to say a special thanks to Mike for giving me this train. It means a lot to me, and I'll make sure to keep it in good running condition for a long time. Going over, my loop of track is wider because it's just, okay. My brain's a little jumbled. Wondering, this engine is a Mogul. That means it has 2 pilot wheels, 6 powered wheels called drivers, and no trailing wheels under the firebox and cab. LGB manufactured these Moguls in different road numbers. This variant is a coal burner, has the shotgun style smokestack, sharp headlight, and a coal load. They also make a different version of the 260 Mogul, which has a diamond stack, an old style headlamp, and a wood load. This engine, I'm really loved with this engine, but it needs a new sound decoder. I'm hoping to get a new MTS2 sound decoder, and I'll have a link of a video in the description of an LGB Mogul with MTS2 sound. Currently it has a small downscale version of a sound chip. Normally it would have a lighted firebox, but Mike had told me that he had to take this engine apart and rebuild it, and he had to take out the LEDs for the firebox because it was with the old power, the old circuit board was old, and sound chips do wear out over time. So let's go ahead and turn on the transformer so you can see this engine run. Sorry, my Canon is doing something, I don't know why. Anyway, I'm trying to find the right MTS2 sound decoder to go with this engine. And the video link I'll have in the description has the exact MTS2 decoder I'm looking for, with the right whistle sound. So if anyone knows the model number of that decoder, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this model trains video. Thanks for watching.